You've probably already seen my photography videos before, and you probably already know how much your photos will improve after you take my full photography course. But it looks like you still haven't signed up. Now, maybe my course was a little too expensive for you, and if so, I have some really great news. Because of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, you can now get digital camera mastery for the lowest price that anyone has ever paid. So under this video, you'll find the discount page, or you'll need to click on a link that will take you to the discount page. On this page, you can find out more about digital camera mastery. And when you're ready to sign up, you can get in for the lowest price that I've ever offered. Now, this offer is only available for a short time, and I only do these discounts once a year. So depending on when you're watching this video, this could be your last chance to get in for half off what everyone else is paying. So please sign up now, or you'll end up paying more later. Even if the timing isn't right, I still recommend that you sign up now to lock in this deal. You'll get lifetime access to everything, so you can take this course when you have more time in the future. But you have to sign up now because I only offer such big discounts once a year. If you're ready to take your DSLR or mirrorless photography to the next level, then go ahead and open the discount page right under this video. Sign up now and you'll get in for half off what everyone else is paying. But you have to do it now while this Black Friday discount is still available.